Ooh wee. What's good, YouTube? I know y'all seen the last video of me revealing this bad boy right here, my Ford Ranger, and as you can see, that mug is tacky. That's blue. That's dark blue. It's got a little patina going on right here, you know what I'm saying? And I got a problem with that. So today we are going to start the process of painting it. I already have the color kind of picked out, but we got to prep and sand all this first in order for it to get painted. And that's pretty much what this video is going to be about. So without further ado, I ain't going to hold y'all. We're going to jump straight into it. Let's get it.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind.
12 seconds later.
If y'all look, I got the hood already sanded down, everything smooth. I got that quarter or fender, front fender sanded too. You know, it had a bunch of rust on it as well. Everything here I went over to smooth it down, so when we paint over it, it's all one smooth finish and not bumpy and chopped up. I do have a few more spots now that I'm looking at it in direct sunlight, but this is where we're at so far with it. I'm about to jump right back to it. As y'all can see, we got everything masked off, so I'm about to start the painting process. Screw the wheels. I might actually throw some tire shine on there just to prevent the paint from sticking on there, but we're making progress. I'm gonna set y'all up and get to it.
You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh.
So we still got the primer drying here. I'm gonna go ahead and take off everything that's taped, and I guess we'll get to the rest of it later, but as of right now, this is kind of where we stand with it. We got to get the base coat on too eventually, but the goal is to get the whole truck primered first, and then I'll jump to the rest of the annoying masking and everything else of that nature.